how to find someone on Discord. So go ahead and navigate to the message section on your chat on your Discord app. So when you navigate to the message section, click on where it says add friends, just showing above your screen. So you can go ahead and click on that. So this contact, as you can see, are my contacts. These are my phone contacts on Discord. So you can go ahead and scan through this to find the person you want to add. If the person is not here, you can go ahead and add the person by username. So click where it says add by username. So click on that, type in the username of the person. For example, my username is, as you can see, my username is showing below. So I can go ahead and type in the person's username. So ask for your friend username to add him here. If you don't want to do it here, you can just use the nearby scan. So when you click on the nearby scan, it's going to scan for people around, for your friends around you. So just make sure your friend is on the scanning page. So when the person is on the scanning page and you're on the scanning page, we are going to be finding each other. You can also copy your link and share it to the person to add you. This is another way of doing it. So this is how you can find someone on Discord. I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.